Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol JDST. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Well, quite the eventful day on this one in the very bearish direction, which brings about the first update that needs to be done. And this update is just based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So if there's any sort of attempted bounce back to the upside going forward, that first key level that'll need to be cleared above is the $4 mark. But really, in all actuality, that level is kind of irrelevant given that the price is now, almost at the $2 mark. So as far as near-term levels of resistance, keep an eye on. That first key level to watch is going to be right there at $2.50. And then if 250 can be broken, next key level right up there at the 325 mark. So 250 and then 325 to the nearer term levels. Again, yeah, $4 is still a level of resistance, but just from a presentation standpoint and me not wanting to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere you look, just want to try to keep this as clean as possible. So first, keep an eye on these levels, and if the price can get above those, then at that point the $4 mark would be more relevant. And then as far as levels of support are concerned, nothing fancy or complicated here at all. Just a question of, well, where did the bleeding finally stop today? And it stopped during that last 30 minutes right down there, just slightly up above the $2 mark. So 205, we'll call it. So 205 is primary level number one as far as support. Like I said, nothing fancy, nothing complicated at all behind that, other than that just simply where the bleeding finally stopped. So we'll see what happens with it. But the good news is with these leveraged three-time ETFs there can be some big old snapbacks, and there's still a lot of work to be done, but we'll see if the price can try to get things turned around or not over the next few days. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.